Welcome to the Level 3 Applied Diploma in Medical Science. My name is Miss Thorne and I'm going to run you through an overview of everything that you need to know about medical science and hopefully answer any questions that you might have.
So here are the things that I'm going to talk to you about. Firstly, I will explain about why you should choose this course. Secondly, I will discuss what you will study. Then I will talk about the ways in which you will be assessed. Next, I will discuss the options available for medical scientists once they've completed the course. And finally, I will talk about the entry requirements. Okay, so why should you choose this course? The Level 3 Applied Diploma in Medical Science is about how we maintain health and the prevention and treatment of diseases. Medical scientists are at the forefront of healthcare services as they are vital in the diagnosis of disease, determining the effectiveness of treatments, and searching for new cures. These qualifications provide learners with the knowledge, understanding, and skills in key scientific principles to support progress to higher education or employment in areas of medical science. Now let's have a look at what you will study. In Year 12, you will sit 3 units. Unit 1 looks at human health and diseases. This unit develops knowledge and understanding of human anatomy and physiology. You will develop an understanding of the function of organ systems and some problems that can occur in these systems. The unit will enable you to understand the normal functioning of the body at a cellular and physiological system level. You will learn about how these systems react in different situations and how factors such as lifestyle and diseases can make them go wrong. Unit 2 develops knowledge and understanding about the physiological measurements that can be made to assess the function of major body systems. It relates anatomy and physiology to physiological measurement tests through an understanding of the principles of the physiological measurement techniques. In this unit, you will perform tests which accurately measure a range of physiological functions. You will be able to interpret the results of these tests and link them to possible physiological disorders. Unit 3 develops knowledge and understanding of planning, conducting, and reporting of research in medical sciences using a range of methodologies and techniques. You will develop the necessary knowledge and skills to carry out research in order to obtain meaningful information. It also seeks to promote an understanding of the processes involved in drawing meaningful conclusions from research data. You will conduct your own research, process the data you have collected, and make evidence-based conclusions. In Year 13, the units are as follows. Unit 4 looks at medicines and treatment of disease. This unit develops knowledge and understanding about the science of medicines and how they work through their interactions with body systems. It also introduces cancer, its relationship to genetics, and the range of therapeutic treatments available. Unit 5 looks at clinical laboratory techniques that can be used to assess body functions. Unit 6 is a medical case study. This unit is the overall synoptic unit for the diploma qualification. It provides the opportunity to demonstrate your understanding of the connections between the 5 other units of this medical science course. So how will you be assessed? Well, the benefit of medical science is that it isn't all exam-based. If we focus on just Year 12, Unit 1 makes up 50% of the qualification and is exam-based. Unit 2 and Unit 3 are both coursework-based modules. Each are worth 25% of Year 12 and are marked by the class teacher, but will be moderated externally by examiners outside of the school. What are your options after studying medical science? Well, as you can see on the slide, there is a huge variety of job prospects or university courses available to you. This qualification equips you with scientific knowledge and understanding, as well as practical skills that would support progression to a range of job roles within healthcare. Job roles such as those within areas of life sciences, i.e. carrying out a range of laboratory and scientific tests to support the diagnosis and treatment of disease. This could include microscopic examination of tissue samples, analysis of blood cells to investigate anemia, or analysis of samples to identify the cause of an infection. Alternatively, there would also be opportunities to progress to job roles within the physiological sciences, working directly with patients, measuring and evaluating particular organs and systems, such as scientists working in neurophysiology, recording the electrical activity in the brain. A significant proportion of career opportunities in this sector are at a degree level. When supported by other appropriate qualifications, the Level 3 Applied Diploma in Medical Science will enable progression to higher education through a range of applied science programs, such as biomedical science, life sciences, and physiology. The entry requirements are that you must have C's in science, regardless of whether you studied double award or triple award science. If you have taken double award science, you must have a minimum of 2 C's. If you have taken triple award science, you must have achieved a C in all 3 sciences. You will also need a C in English language and mathematics. Now I'm going to pass over to a few of our current pupils so you can find out what they think about the subject.
Hi, I'm Owen Jenkins and I'm a sixth former.
Hi, I'm Max Luca and I'm a sixth former at Llanishen High School.
So guys, I just want to know a little bit about why you have chosen medical science.
Well, since I want to do something medical when I'm older, this helps out when you want to go to uni and do other courses.
Well, I don't exactly know what I want to be when I'm older, but I do know I want to go down a science-based course at university, and I've taken sciences for my A-levels, and medical science leads more opportunities if you struggle with sciences, and it's a good backup option that I really recommend.
Thank you. And can you tell me, what do you like about medical science?
Well, since I took biology as well, it really helps out because you learn the same topics within both the options, so it really helps out with that as well.
A lot of people, when they take their 4 options, drop one. If you take medical science and biology, they go together really well as you go over the topics over and over again. Yeah, I really recommend it.
Hi, my name is Bethryn. I'm studying medical science this year in year 12.
And I'm Sammy, and I'm also studying medical science in sixth form as well.
So girls, why have you decided to study medical science?
The reason why I chose medical science is because when I leave school, I want to do radiotherapy in university, and this course helps me get to that career, and it's very useful.
Thank you. Sammy?
I picked this option as it was a new topic, and it opens up a lot of stuff in the future I can do, as I want to do stuff with caring for people and just helping people, so it opens a lot of stuff that I can do with that.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, guys. What do you like about studying medical science at school?
I find medical science very interesting. Also it's very straightforward, so you know what you're going to do. You don't go in there clueless or anything. You know what each lesson is going to be about. There's a structure to it, so that's why I like it, because I like to be organised. So yeah.
I like it as well because it's just it's like biology, but it's different as well. So it's something new, and it's got loads of detail about stuff, and yeah.
So girls, can you tell me, would you recommend people to study medical science at Llanishen High, and why?
Yeah, definitely. I think over time I began to like it even more and more, and also because it gives you an in-depth understanding of the human body, which makes it so much more interesting. And there's 2 parts to it. You've got the coursework side, and you've also got the practical and exams side, and yeah, so it doesn't just end there. So.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend it if you like science and stuff, because it's if you want to go into the caring side, it's really good for opening jobs up like that, and it's just really interesting, and you learn different stuff, and it's just really good.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, girls.
Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me an email address that is on the screen, or alternatively, you can find me in room S3 and I will happily answer any questions that you might have. Thank you.